What?
Take us going towards that thing. Wait,
Yes.
all go slow motion, Mom. All of us, slow motion.
I cannot hold that cartoon. Heading to the hill right now.
Yeah. Alex, take us a video now.
Yes, I am. Alright.
It's my empire, and yes, I'm full of shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampires. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay
Oops. Sorry. Guys.
I will retire with a ring, and I will retire with a crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes,
Yeah.
clap for the heavyweight champ.
Yeah.
But I couldn't do it all alone. Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. AP, you just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know. This night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration. Every time we
You guys. Someone is hurting.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
So this was during our attachment in February, and it's good to take days where you're singing, you enjoy life, you don't show them like you're serious. So this I just decided to dance with her as a way like she requested. So I decided to dance with her, and it was fun to go up the hill with her, and with the mother was the back looking at us. The hill was quite steep, so the only thing which could push us to walk was the hike dance, and it was good. And it's, most of the time we have to do it so that at least we make them happy.
Wow. This range, I mean, it's like a winter season. And it's very cold back here. I enjoy it though. It is a blessing from God. It's very cold, very cold. It's like winter season. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for always tuning in and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please consider to subscribe, and God bless you. Much love, and thank you so much. And God bless you. Amen. Shalom.